Well, hello, super deformed Dekotora truck fans. So, these trucks are crazy in real life, and then this ChoroQ makes it a little goofier than that. I can't make out any of that text. I find that Google Translate gives like multiple translations to things, so I don't know which is right. So I don't even bother in many cases now. Oh, so yep, there's a photo of the real truck, and it's got a flying fish on this side. I managed to pull up this photo over here, and that is, I believe, the same truck. But this internet link goes to nothing. It's all scrambled. I think that forum is gone. Okay, let's see if there's any sort of date on this thing. No, but it's probably on the bottom. Oh, maybe it's 2003 right there. Okay. Okay, well, it's your standard two-axle Dekotora truck, and naturally it's not really matching that photograph so much. Well, let's go to this photograph though. This is a two-axle Dekotora truck, and it does have like two of these I don't know, photons, light tubes or something, and it's got triple stacked bumper. This one does as well, so it's possible this might be that truck at night. And then just for comparison's sake, again with the fish logo, this text here does seem to match the text in the back corner of that photograph. Let me focus again. And then yeah, you got that fish flying there. So although this cabin is sky blue and that's just chrome, so who knows? I don't know how common these types of trucks are in Japan. I've never seen them in real life. So, okay, well anyways, let's start with the front of this guy here. So there is an actual license plate. It just says something 331 and a dot. So I would imagine that must be a special license plate to have just a number. Well, anyways, we got this chrome blue paint going on inside of these recesses. It's very nice, very shiny. And then I guess that's a sticker there. So that's probably, well, there's another sticker here, so one of these is probably the name of the truck or the driver or something. The headlights are metallic gold, and then yeah, you look at this cabin, it's very reflective, chromed blue. There's some indication of some mirrors here, and then the canopy is really blacked out. It might be black paint, I'm not sure. And then the sticker up here again, more text, and then we got some red in here, and I think that red is paint, not a sticker, but this is definitely a sticker. It's literally hanging off the edge. More stickers, yep, falling off, and not even placed very well, but this is a toy. Yeah, more stickers back there. Side of the cabin. No door handle detail. You'd think they could have added that. Just three little like bullet head ridges there. Standard chromed out wheels from Choro-Q. And then that sticker of a fish on this side, and then some yellow paint on these really protruding lights, I guess they're supposed to be. The lights in the back are painted like a red on top of the metallic, so they look very chrome. And there's dimensionality in the middle there, depth. Yeah, so, and then some bumps here. And then it's got two license plates in the back there. So how is that legal? I'm not sure. And then stickers here indicating it's a double door, but it's just one piece of plastic, and it's raw plastic, that swirly silver plastic. You can see there, the top. Oh yeah, I'm not a fan of this plastic. Does this open? I have a different one where these doors swing up, but I don't. Now I think that must be glued down, or heat melted, so it's not meant to open. And now here on the bottom it says 02, so yeah, this thing's around 20 years old now, so pretty good. It's such a unique casting from all my other ones that I am going to put some of my standard bus wheels onto this guy. I think this is a keeper, especially now that I know that it really, really is a real truck based on the photographs. So yeah, you can see the bumper melt marks there. This little tab holds that motor in place, and there's a production dial there, which will tell you in this case It was made in September of '03. So that's interesting that it was really produced in '03, like the back of the packaging said, but they printed '02 on the bottom of it. They're backdating it. How is that legal? That's like falsifying when something was made, right? Well, anyways, something to ponder. Here's a standard axle. I have pulled off another ChoroQ, and then I 3D printed my own wheels here. If you watch my ChoroQ videos, you've seen these a bunch of times now on some buses. And then I need this motor. I gotta pull these wheels off. So I'm twisting and pulling at the same time. Oh man, that one's on tight. Let me come back. Alright, I just wanted to show you in case you get, some ChoroQs. In this case, in almost all cases, they knurl the axles here on the spring motor. So that's what's hard to pull off, even though I was trying to twist it. I had to use vice grips to actually pull it off. So just slide my 3D printed wheels on here. Just twist it while I push it on. Yeah, that's good enough. Okay. So on the bottom there is a screw holding this back box on, I guess. A couple of the melt marks for the chrome stuff up there. And yeah, the windows are totally blacked out with paint. There's no clear plastic on the body of this one. Alright, so somehow I gotta get this thing. Some sort of tab system that I think these little notches, tabs have to go into, they have to hook under this orange piece here. There it goes, yeah. Okay. I'm gonna hand tighten the screw back because it's plastic. That electric drill would probably strip out the hole. Don't need to tighten it much. I mean, I'm not gonna play with it, so. Okay, so there we go. Now it's got some more commercial semi-truck looking wheels on it. I don't really bother painting these guys because the plastic is so slick. Paint's just gonna fall off. And frankly, there's nothing really to paint on this anyways. Everything's got graphics on it. So here we are with all the other two-axle Choros that I've kept. So it's hard to know how many combinations of castings they've put out because I haven't been able to find a catalog of all the Dekotora trucks by ChoroQ. This set of videos might be the catalog now. So you'll see this one obviously is unique in the fact that it has the two, whatever, hexagonal light tubes there sticking pretty far off the roof. It's also unique in the fact that the cabin is chromed. So all these other ones I have are just normal plastic or paint colors. And so you'll see how they mix it. ChoroQ mix and matches parts. This one, this one, this one, and this one, they all have two rockets on the top of them. But actually maybe they are different castings because the faces are all different. And then these two, they're similar and they have the 5 lights, but the top boxes, these two are actually the same. These two have the exact same tops, the exact same cabins actually, but they have different bumpers. So there's a variety of bumpers, a variety of tops, and color combinations. They can make quite a series of them, and that's just the front end, as you see. So you see this box end, right? So I have this older one. This is this box section one, but this one you can see has gaps because it's actually a gull wing. So that's interesting. But so it's a totally different mold again with just the box. And then these two are also box trucks, but these two have these photon tubes on the top of the box, and henceforth they're not gull wings. So I actually feel like these boxes are molded the same, but they went ahead and added some more details on these two. Same bumpers on these two. Yeah, these are 3 actually all have the same rear bumper and all the same boxes. So okay. And then if you're curious what's on the back of these 4, you got either loads of rocks or coal or loads of I-beams. So they're dump trucks, obviously, or flatbed and dump trucks. Alright. Now that you've seen the most likely comparisons, I'll show you some less likely comparisons. So from ChoroQ we have this 3-axle one. So it's kind of strange that they didn't make this 3-axle one be the graphic of the real truck with 3 axles. Yeah, seems odd, right? This one has 3D printed wheels on it though. Here's a bone stock Aoshima of a 3-axle Dekotora truck. It says Aoshima, of course, so that's how I know. These little light tubes on the top of this one actually glow in the dark. That's why they look like a weird, like yellowish. And then Hot Wheels, you know, Ryu Sada, he designed this one here, this Dekotora. I printed my own wheels on this though, as well. And also added a little sticker of a license plate. Alright. Well, the world of Dekotora is definitely alien to me, but I do like it. They're such over-the-top trucks. They must be extremely impractical to drive, but I wonder if like these trucks are actually used for commercial purposes, like if they actually do deliver like fish and other materials. I don't know. Please leave a comment if you live in Japan and you know about this stuff. I'm sure other people would want to know as well. Anywho, I can't say if there are going to be other ChoroQ Dekotora truck videos, but if I see a mold that's totally different than the other ones I showed, then I'll try to track it down and get it. But until then, I hope hopefully we'll see you in the next at least truck related video. Alright, bye now.